we are gonna be making some ooey gooey air fried honey garlic chicken wings. These right here are scrumptious. Let's not waste time. Let's get into it. So to begin, we're gonna be working with about 2 pounds of some chicken wings. I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. Moving on, you know we gotta hit it with that base coat. You know we gotta season it up proper. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so, and all the ingredients will be listed down in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ahead and make sure your chicken is well coated up just like this. Moving on, let's go ahead and get these bad boys in the air fryer. Go ahead and load them up. You're gonna cook them at 385 Fahrenheit. Let's do about 12 minutes on the first side. We are then gonna go ahead and give it a flip after letting it go, and we're gonna cook that second side for about the same time, again at 385 Fahrenheit. This is how we're looking the first go around. Like I said, go ahead and give these bad boys a flip. They are looking delicious already, but we are not done yet. They are gonna get even more crispy and get even more beautiful. So go ahead and lock that in and let it do its thing. Moving on, we're gonna get that sauce going, baby. Go ahead and get your heat to about a medium, and we're gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. Unsalted is very important because you do not want your dish to be too salty. Again, we're adding 2 tablespoons of some low sodium soy sauce. Important, low sodium, because soy sauce especially is known to be super salty. So go ahead and drop in your minced garlic, your brown sugar. After that, we're gonna add a little bit of ground ginger, and we cannot forget the honey, baby. After that, get that in your pan just like so. Go ahead and give it a mix. Let it come to a little bit of a simmer, and you are pretty much ready to drizzle this delicious sauce right on top of your amazing crispy air fried chicken wings. This is how you should be looking after that second go round, and my goodness, do they look good or what? You almost want to just bust down right here right now, but you know we got to get these sauced up. Let me know in the comments below, are you team drums or are you team flats? Let me know in the comments below. You know it's flats all day with me, baby. It's just something about them. Gotta have them flats. Drizzle that sauce right over the top and give them a toss in that delicious sauce right there, just like so. You know I gotta hit you with that slow-mo. Garnish with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to plate up and bust down. This right here is simple. This right here is delicious, and I cannot wait for you to give this one a try. Once you do, double back in the comments and let me know how'd you love them. Thank you all for watching. I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces.